Hi guys, we haven't been doing much filming recently, but we're back. We're currently parked up waiting to meet Richard. He's got a new van. Dave's having a poo.
While we're waiting for Richard, we're doing some cheese on toast because we're hungry this morning. We have lit the grill, ready for our cheese on toast. I'm excited. I'm so hungry this morning.
I'm excited for my cheese on toast.
Toast?
Might make my belly feel better.
Maybe it might do. Yes, Richard, Indiana Jones, he's a good friend of ours. He's got a VW. He's converting it. So big up to him. Not like us, getting one that's already made. Gonna be a good day filming today, isn't it?
Yes, very good day. Hey, it looks cool.
It does. Richard's in his van. Ooh, looks pretty swanky, doesn't it, in his Volkswagen? I know, it looks well clean. He's proper cleaned it. He's done a good job with those side windows as well.
You haven't seen the back sticker yet. Come and have a look at the back sticker.
I've not seen the back sticker, that's a good thing.
Look at all the bumps and stuff.
Oh yeah, that's quite terrible.
But it doesn't look like a van, which is all that matters. I've got a challenge for Lucy. I don't know if she can do it in the back though. Hey. No, you'll have to come down the side door.
Oh, he seems happy.
Don't know what's going to fall out of here. Try and get on the bed, Luce.
She can't get her little legs up there.
Shoes on.
Don't care about that. It's only wood boarding and dodo mat.
Yeah, I think I'll get on that.
Go on then. Oh, as soon as she sits on it, it falls.
Oh, go on, Luce. Go on. You can do it.
Go on. Yes.
Yay!
Oh, what my head.
Oh, you've got loads of room there, haven't you?
Yeah, loads up the top.
I can't touch the floor.
You look like a 5-year-old sat up on
You'd
that bed.
struggle as well though.
No, I wouldn't.
The first time I've checked that window to see if it's still leaking, I had to bodge fix it.
Oh no.
Yeah, I had to
You look
bodge
quite
fix it.
professional.
See that? She says they look quite professional.
They really do. He did that himself.
Do you want to know a little top tip for this sort of stuff? You see all these camper van builder places that say, we sell you the windows and the full fitting kit and stuff like that. We're going to charge you £500. Go directly to their source, Trade Glass UK, 300 quid. Comes with a fitting kit and everything.
Oh, is that where you got those sucky cuppy thingies from?
No. They came from B&Q because I want to try and enlarge myself.
Sucky.
$10.
What are you doing, Dave?
I am making...
That's my monster, you idiot.
Ah, you're an idiot.
Yeah, it is. I put mine there.
I'm making Richard, Indiana Jones, some cheese on
He's making me fatter. He's fattening me up for Christmas to eat me.
Is it good?
Yes, it is.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
You don't want to get a woman hangry.
And then I'm obviously last, like always. Proper devouring that.
Can I have two?
Fatty,
I'm fat for a reason.
I've got to stop feeding you. This conversion is only going to be a cheap conversion, isn't it, Luce?
Yeah.
But he's going to do 3 stages, so he's going to do a cheapish one.
Yeah, it's
The
going to be
medium
budget
one.
first, then up to normal. So sort of nice livable standard, and then really high end.
Posh, like he's living in a mansion. And then, so he was telling me that he's planning on doing... Whoa!
Is it a bit hard work stepping up there for
It
you?
is, I'm too short.
This is just a general plan. Wardrobe, only a thin one, just a cheap IKEA one. We're hoping to find a free one, because if you're converting a van, here's a little tip for you. You can go to IKEA on a morning, sort of 10 to 12 o'clock. It's only ever there about that time because it's gone quick. In the returns department, outside, there's a big metal crate, and they just stick all the seconds and stuff. If you return a wardrobe to IKEA because it's got one broken panel, they can't sell the rest. They just chuck it all in this crate. You go down there, you can pick it up however you want. Over this side, kitchen area, it's going to go out halfway towards the door. We're going to have loads of bits and bobs on there, hobs, sink. Another top tip for you, go to B&Q and ask them, have you got any X-display sinks? I picked up a sink for £5. Bargain. Don't know, seating area, I make it a pole to do some dancing, some exercise.
All in all, I think it's a pretty decent van that you got.
I think the biggest issue I've got, that's going to be the biggest sort of thing to try and learn about this van is I'm used to having a van front to back, so I know I can park on a slight slope up and down. Now I've got the bed sideways, I've got to try and think of parking absolutely flat. This is longer than a parking space, so it will only park over 2 spaces. You try going into Asda and stuff like that around Christmas time where everybody's there and I've got to try and find 2 parking spaces.
We're the same, to be fair. Our bed is kind of the same, so we have
Yeah,
to...
but whose van's longer, mine or yours? Should we go and test whose van's bigger?
Yes.
Come on then,
we
let's
should.
go.
Lisa's doing it right now. She's doing it on the phone.
Technology. How long is Dave's?
7.3 should be.
6.94 metres.
6.94 metres for
That's
Dave's. Go on, do
not
mine.
right.
No, it actually is.
Well, the internet's wrong then, because mine says 7.3. What is it?
6.35.
6.35. So hold on a second. That means yours is longer than mine.
Yes.
Dave's got a bigger one than me.
I definitely have.
We've had a great day with Richard. Windows too dirty.
We've just been to do our shopping. Lucy decided to warm up a...
Cheese and onion pasty. It's nice.
She's eating it. What time is it? It's about 4 o'clock, isn't it?
4:20. We're having burgers for tea.
We'll be off in a minute to our park up. Let's have some drink. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. If you have, drop us a subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications for when we do further uploads.
And the thumbs up. What does everyone think about Dave with a man bun?
I like a footballer, don't I?
You actually do.
Do you know, I don't know how girls do it, me.
You'll
Oops.
find if you have it in your head all day, when you take the bubble out, it really hurts.
Plus, you can feel it like on top of your head.
Good morning! We've made a brew and we've drank them. I've got a little bit left.
We've got a little visitor. We've had a neighbour for the first, well, not for the first time, but it's close to the first time, of us doing van life. Indy Vanny Jones. Let's go see what he's doing. He's always joking about putting stickers on our van. So I'm just going to have a quick look round and make sure that he's not put any stickers on my van. No, it seems alright. He's dodgy like that.
It's all good.
So this is his van. His name's Richard. Indy Vanny Jones. He's on YouTube. And here he is, look.
Hey.
Richard!
I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I've just had a camera stuck in my face. Hi.
He's playing with his drone. This looks good, Dave.
He's got the DJI Mini 2.
Oh, I'll tell you what I want to do. I'll show you this. Little shot.
Jogging.
Lucy is cold and she's jogging.
I'm actually alright now. There was a car that had loud music on this morning, so that would have woke Richard up.
Yeah, so apparently Richard was saying there's a shipwreck. We'll have a look and see what you guys think. I don't think it's a shipwreck. Richard's saying that there in the middle of the screen is a shipwreck. I don't know how accurate he is on whether that is a shipwreck or not. Tell me the background on that shipwreck then. See if it
Well,
is a
that shipwreck was from back in my day because I'm ancient as heck. But back here, there used to be a lot of shipping going up and down. You've got to think, when that crashed, there was no bridge over there, there was no bridge over there, but there was also a power station down there that used to transport a lot of stuff, and loads of mills up in Manchester and stuff. Used to get a lot of transport going up there with all the stuff. There was, I mean, this is controversial, so I'm sorry it might get cut out of the video. Liverpool was the start of slavery, so this is where a lot of people used to come in as well, and they crashed on the sandbanks. That's basically about it. You've got one there, there's another one in the middle over there. Now this is back in the day when they're all old wooden ships, and there's another one right over in the corner over there too.
Well, that was fun. Look at that, guys. Look how quick the tire's coming in there. Jesus. That's awesome. Lucy's putting some Vaseline on her lips.
And now we are going to go and get gas.
Getting gas, getting food because we've got to go shopping, and
Some dinner!
what else have we got to do? Oh, water. We've got to top up water.
Bye, have fun, don't do anything I wouldn't do, don't rock the van too much, your wheels might pop. I'm going to get the drone of you going over
Rich!
if the rain doesn't come down too much.
No, I'd be
So
alright.
hurry up.
Bye! You got it?
I don't have any pink stuff left.
Okay. We've already got gas, and we've already topped up with water and emptied the loo. It's been a successful day.
And now we need to go shopping for tea. So we decided to have burgers and pizza. You see, well, originally I wanted the pizza, but I didn't know what I wanted it with. So we ended up deciding on burgers and pizza.
You gotta wake up to reality, 'cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams.
Dave's just putting the gas back.
I am indeed putting the gas back. We have 2 red 6-kilogram gas bottles, and this is the compartment they go in. I just put the straps on them so when we're moving it's safe. Close it and done. Voila. Although the other bottle's quite empty as well, so we'll have to probably get that one filled up tomorrow or the next day as well. Put the oven on, start making tea. These are the chicken burgers that Lucy's having. She doesn't like the quarter-pounder ones for some reason.
No, I don't like too much chicken.
I have the quarter-pounder ones, but I have the beef ones. They're oosh. They're so good. We eat really, really well.
Oh, and guess what? I'm getting myself ready for Scotland by drinking iron brew. I love iron brew.
That is how much of a slant we are on. It should be that way. It should be straight. It's not.
Because I'm going to be drinking iron brew while in Scotland. Tea's finished, it's done. I've got 2 chicken burgers and this pizza, which is very yummy. I've already nearly eaten a whole piece. And then Dave has 2 beef burgers and pizza as well.
It's oozing.
But this was the pizza we were talking about. It's
Yes.
so yummy.
It is really, really, really yummy.
It's a pesto margarita.
It is slightly burnt because I forgot to turn the oven off, but it's all off now. It's fine. Oh, that reminds me. A tip to stay warm if you do Motorhome Live is when you finish cooking, open the oven.
It's a good tip. It works.
Maybe that's a good tip for house goers as well.
Yeah,
With the crisis.
definitely. I completely agree. I'm going to try my burger now anyway. Gorgeous. Like every time. We are chilling in bed and editing.
I'm on phone.
And I'm chilling. And we'll be going to bed. Which I can't wait for. I'm so tired. I'm also very cold. Are we going to turn the radiator on?
Yeah, we'll be soon. It's 8:42. Van life is completely different to a house
House life.
because of the way you live. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell button.
And drop a like.